So is the stream now like running? Okay. I may have had some technical difficulties there, trying to get it just running, but I was just switching between the latency times. So the video feed would be a bit more up to date, but so anyways, it seems to be running right now. So hi Mina. Already getting already received a comment right there, so that's not nice. So for some time right now, first in this stream, I'm gonna just be checking this. So this here. So this is the Cosmic Desktop Environment. So the graphical interface for Linux. It's in alpha. It's not really like finished released yet. So it's still like in development. But so I'll try to get it more set up more. That so I'm currently doing this stream from the live environment of Pop! OS. So where is it? Where is? Do you have like some installer? Install Pop! OS. So yes, I'm the I am doing this live from the installer for the Pop! OS 24.04 Cosmic Desktop Alpha. So one good thing, one thing I love about Linux is that some like the ISOs, the installers have this live environment where you can just check the just check the system, have a look around, play around before like actually deciding on whether you install it or anything. So let's keep the language as English for this stream. Is thinking there would be nice if I get to change the keyboard layout here for the local one. Doesn't seem like it changed here. Yep. So a couple of things I want to do right off the bat. Change the localization. I'm not really used to the US keyboard layout since we have a local one here. Like there is the Nordic keyboard, and then from that the Estonian keyboard based on that. So first, where can I access system settings? Also, what is this M0722 3:06 p.m.? M07. Who writes it like that? M0722. I can see that it's supposed to be the 7th month, so July, but M07. I don't think I really have seen that, like the date written like that. Very interesting. Yes, my clock is 7 minutes past 6, so this defaults to like the UTC time, like the Greenwich time, which the other time zones are like based off how many hours it is based off. So yes, first off I'll have to change the keyboard layout, the time zone, and like the date format here, because it's written in a pretty odd way. Oh, workspaces. That's the workspaces preview here. Okay, cosmic settings. I could have also done it from down here. Like it's taking a moment to start up. Well, not now, but the first time I opened up these settings, you could see there was a bit of a delay. Time and language. What's region and language? Region dates. It says here date and time July 4th. That's not how it's written up here. But I mean, it's probably from under this. What are those regions here? United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland English. Like there are some different Spanish regions, like formatting, Russian, Portuguese, Japanese, German, many kinds of German, and French, a lot of English ones, Arabic. But where's all the other stuff? Okay, where this is. Let's go for the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. I'm clicking on it and it doesn't do anything. The buttons here just don't work. Date and time here. So, oh yes, you can see it's using the time zone. Time zone here is set to ETC, UTC, but by default. So. That's better. That's first day of the week is Monday for us. Show date in the time applet. So that just displays whether the date is shown up here. 24-hour time, we use that. And it can also display seconds. So let's leave it at that. Hold on, I'm just thinking. So yes, I'm just checking the chat on my phone, and and it just seemed like it was a little bit like stuck or behind there. So okay, date and time and calendar settings. We were here. Changes take effect on next login. So yes, if I log out, the stream will very likely just cut out and end. Region. You mean I mean, looking at the formatting here, the date and like I mean, overall it makes sense here. Well, just a couple of things. We write like the day before the month, and also in numbers the period and commas are like switched. So we use the comma for the decimal places over here, but I can see the period being used for that. Sound. Input device is just built in analog stereo. So here's the I have connected like my headset to this laptop, and usually there should be like two input devices here, like the laptop microphone and my headset microphone. I'm not seeing I'm not seeing a way to switch between them, and like I'm pretty sure it's recording my my like laptop inbuilt microphone here. So input devices. Keyboard. Oh yes, keyboard layout. That's what I was looking for. Add input source. Just add the Estonian default. I don't think I need the US one. And now if I go ahead and type in some special characters. Yeah, yes, that makes more sense for me. So I got that figured out. So yes, I guess let's first take a look at these settings that we have here. Since I was already going to since I already had to do some tweaking here, and I had planned that anyways. Bluetooth accessibility desktop. What do we have here? Wall. Okay, some built-in wallpaper. Same wallpaper on all displays. Wallpaper fill and fit to screen. So I'm assuming that anyways, currently that I'm assuming the wallpaper is exactly the aspect ratio of my laptop screen, but I'm assuming fill means that the wallpaper is stretched to like fill the whole screen. The fit to screen like keeps all of it like inside the screen. Just should there be some like boundaries in this case. So a couple of selection of wallpapers. The default one is already pretty alright. It like switches pretty suddenly between them. And then no transition, just a brief gray screen. Okay, that's a little interesting here. So the desktop is named Cosmic, and likewise all the wallpapers here are about space, whether it's of some stars, like the cosmic clouds that are there, or whatever, some planets here. Is this supposed to be like the Northern Lights, the Aurora Borealis? And here is a drawing of the night sky, probably. I mean, these two here are pretty interesting, I guess, but currently maybe let's keep it at the default wallpaper. Displays. Oh, okay. We got some. Okay, so scaling of all this. What? Should I try going for 300 here? Should I just check how it looks with the maximum scaling? I'm not sure if I should do that, but for this screen. But okay. Well, yeah, it's a little hard to see. Here. Now, can I reset it? Can I get it back? So 300. Let's go back to 100. Now the window is just stuck on that corner. I can't just grab it and move it around, but maybe. No. I was thinking like maybe I do like some alt and then drag. That doesn't seem to work either. So what I'm going to do for now is close the settings from here and reopen it. Wait. Alt tab is the Windows switcher, of course. Additional scale options. So you have like the main scale here, and this is sort of like some additional fine tuning. Then I guess. Nutella-Kopf. Hey there. Orientation, standard rotation. So let's bring this back to normal. Appearance. So the cosmic automatically is in dark mode. Yes, it's still in alpha. This is like the alpha 7 already. Like as I understand, this is like supposed to be the last alpha, and then followed by the beta soon. Apparently, yes. Still have the light mode here, but let's keep this at dark. Oh, so switch to light mode at next sunrise. Can you play Valorant? It's in cargo. Well, let's move on. So, accent color, a nice selection of them. Oh, that orange here is like pretty orange, like pretty saturated. I mean. Oftentimes I kind of like this orange accent colors actually, but for now, let's keep this blue. So something I also noticed, like the button highlights up here, like they kind of go on top of the top bar here, even when everything else is under. that might be a bug. I'm assuming. Container background, primary container. Oh. Oops, that's maybe too much of a red. So that's what this does. So you can change the you can change the individual colors of window elements here. So that's nice. I can probably do something like I can probably make something really horrible looking here. Yeah. I appreciate this. Like this individual color pickers here. I also don't really know of anything other doing that. So reset to default. Like slightly red. Just to okay, that's a bit way. Like I'm trying to figure out this color picker here. Like here it seems like I can only go from black to white to this shade of orange, and I can change the hue apparently from down here, but it I could before. I'm on KDE Plasma mainly. So so yes, I'm probably having some this probably is some visual glitch here. It's like the hue selector is covered by like this gradient from white to blue. Alright, but what else we have? Interface text hint. Interface text hint, what could this be for? Used for backgrounds of standard buttons, search inputs, and similar components. So color used to derive interface text colors that have sufficient contrast on various surfaces. So not looking maybe very good, but but I'll reset it later. Okay, now something I'm noticing. So it has rounded corners that use the what was this container background, but like past the rounded corners, here is like a little bit of like the darker gray sharp corner here, which I'm assuming is using this component tint color here. Also yes, one thing I noticed in the like when you minimize a window, you have this like you have this list here. Okay, so bye and thanks for checking. Bye. And then interface density. Spacious is maybe a little bit too spacious here for me. So yes, that determines like the padding between all the elements. Like I'm kind of between these two. Let's keep it at comfortable. Round, so it's style round, slightly round, and square. So I guess I like my I like some rounded corners. So let's keep it at the most rounding. I should probably reset the colors now. Active window hint size and gaps around tiled windows, which cannot be less than active window hint size. I can probably make this ridiculously large. 64 is the maximum here. So this is from active window hint size, but gaps around tiled windows. So I think I get it now. So active window hint size is like for this border around here, and gaps around tiled windows is maybe I can check it out. So yes, there should be like a tiling manager in Cosmic, but should I do it? Should I like put the windows side by side like this? You can see there's like a lot of space, a lot of padding around them. A bit of a ridiculous amount. So if I decrease it, like it's less now. The windows now fill more area. So so for some, the window hint can maybe be a little like visually jarring, but like I kind of I kind of like the idea behind it. So like highlighting the active window with the accent color. So yes, it's pretty interesting in my opinion. So how about that now? I guess that's maybe like getting reasonable now. So sorry for. So anyways, I can change the system font here. Okay, so if you have this drop down menu, you cannot close it by just clicking away. There's this like there's a explicit close button here, so that's that's like interesting, like maybe a little odd, a different way of doing that. Icon set, Advaita icons. You can mostly see the difference in the sidebar icons, like how they change. Like if I switch between like Advaita and Cosmic, GNOME, icons. Is there a difference in the icons? So was that appearance? Panels now. So interestingly, like there's you have two panels in Cosmic. One is called just a panel, which is the top one here, and the other is the dock. Like you have like separate settings categories for them, but like they're pretty much the same. Automatically hide panel, so I should not. Maybe I guess I should not be able to. Cover that area with the windows, and if I hover with the mouse over here, the panel reappears, and it like blends nicely with a Cosmic window, Cosmic style window. So if I do it like that, it kind of looks like the top panel and the and the window and also kind of the dock down here are like kind of merged together into one. So I guess that's nice. It got stuck again. Automatically hide panel. Cap between panel and screen edges. So we have That's nice, I guess. So also also in KDE you had this floating panels, pretty much the same thing. Extend panel the screen edges. You can have that, or then rather have this just be in the middle and take up the space that it needs to for the applets. Appearance, match desktop, light, dark. So change the style of it. So if I go configure something about the like the panels or the desktop size, like this, like it briefly disappears and then takes on the new setting. I guess it's understandable. Workspaces and applications. It's interesting how on a small size they're like written out in text, but when I increase the size of the panel, they turn into icons. Background opacity. Change the opacity or the transparency of the panel. Let's have it at like about 75. I guess let's do. Is Cosmic Desktop running on Wayland? Yes, I'd assume it to have Wayland support. I guess I should be able to check that. Start segment. I can reorder them. What goes on left, the middle section, and the right one, respectively. So they are called the start, center, and end segment. So if I pull the date to the right, now it's here. Add applet, app tray. Do we have the app tray here? Let's try app tray. What does? Oh, so the app tray. At first, I was guessing it was like the it was like the app tray in the sense of what I'm having here with the OBS. But it's like the application menu, like the one I have down here. So I guess let's maybe bring the date, like the calendar back to the center, and there should be a really similar set of set of settings for the dock down here. I can I can disable the secondary panel or the dock. So that's maybe the one thing that's different here. Yes. Oh, that's looking a little is that how it's supposed to look? So like it it just has a sharp corner down here, even with a gap. If I do automatically hide, so if I turn the automatically hide on and then off, the sharp corners disappeared. So I guess that was another bug right there. But otherwise, yes, not much is different here. It's literally just a secondary panel here. User session. So I could I could like log out, shut down here. Alright, so if I I mentioned the panels like merging with the windows before. So if they have some transparency and I drag the window up here, so the panels to go to full opacity here. So just the look would be unified here. Workspace orientation, and so horizontal. So now if I guess that's just like how the workspaces are displayed here. So if I now do horizontal, it's that way. But I mean, when I do vertical, like the windows here like seem a bit more organized. So I'm looking at on the stream chat on my phone, and there is this like fan center here. And all the users here are given her ranks. Probably, I'm assuming based on how much like I mean based on the activity. I'm assuming. I didn't know of that feature here. I didn't intentionally turn on this or something like that. So interesting, I guess. Displays sound. Yes, I checked that. Had this was where I was wondering about my microphone, power and battery. Turn off the screen after 50 minutes. Automatically suspend. Then what is this? Battery 100%. 149 days and 3 hours until empty. I can promise you, my my battery is not nearly like anywhere nearly as good as that. It's just that it's my laptop is plugged in right now. But it's weird that the display is it like that. So whoa, extended battery life. My display got a lot darker right now. What is like? What was it like? 9%. So you can see my display is at 10% brightness right now. Let's bring that to about 75. Oh, I can change the keyboard keyboard backlight here. Input devices, applications, default applications, Firefox, web browser, Firefox. Yes, that seems like reasonable defaults. So for some reason terminal is not set. So let's have that be Cosmic. Text editor, Cosmic, LibreOffice Writer, Vim. I don't think I have really used Vim or NVim. Actually, as in like the terminal text editors, I have used it was Nano. Yes, Nano. Yes, I was kind of like taught to use Nano. Oh, sorry about that. Yes, Nano. Startup applications. Yes. I'm like more of a casual Linux user, maybe. I would say. Add startup applications. So here I just do like. Yeah, sure. Let's add Firefox as startup. Why not? So for the live environment, not won't be much of a difference. X11 applications compatibility. Modify this. Global shortcuts. Push to talk by. I have heard about Emacs, so I haven't used it. Maximum compatibility mode, optimize for applications, games and full screen X11 apps may not match your display resolution. So since one of the application categories is called X11 applications compatibility, I am assuming that I'm on Wayland right now. Yes, I am on a live environment of the Pop OS Cosmic Alpha. Mouse, but so about operating system Pop OS 24 for LTS, and indeed it is using Wayland. So that should be it for this for the settings here. Cosmic is intended to be like kind of GNOME like. So you have the clock here, like the settings here over on the right, but they're not like unified into one menu. You still have the individual menus here. Okay, Big Bunny is asking of a Discord server. Yes, actually, I have. I had like a server from like some time ago. Which I guess I could share. Okay, I guess I can go grab the link real quick and. Well, this should be it. For one moment and. Well, yes, I guess I can drop the link here, or maybe share it somewhere on my channel. But if you wanna join, then or right here it is. So anyways, you have the workspaces here, applications. In the two different menus. In GNOME you have like a activities view, which at first you can browse the workspaces. And then from there you can go to the applications list. So here the applications list is just a menu. it's like just a window or a menu that pops up on the screen like that. It's all right, I suppose. You have all the categories here. Office, system, utilities. Can I just library home? I'm assuming then that here are the uncategorized applications. Office, rename here. So I can just rename utilities. It has Vim pre-installed like that as an application. So it doesn't look like it really did anything. Cosmic settings, do I just drag it into here like that? Yes. So these are here alphabetically sorted, right? Sure, it sure seems like it. Add group, create new folder. For the name, let's just have this folder here or something. I don't know. I can put stuff in here. So down here to the left, I here like 3 icons here, which maybe can get some like that may take some getting used to. Like all over on the left, you have the launcher. I know some other desktops have this too. Like without this search bar to view applications and maybe some files. Like didn't I do like a screenshot earlier there? And which was just of the desktop, and then use it as the stream thumbnail. So if I do print screen, I had a screenshot overlay here. Is it even visible there? Yes, it is. So I only have the icons here for the screenshot modes. For a moment I was confused about these two. So this is the window selection. I can choose a window to take a screenshot of, and the others are here's like the selection screenshot, full screen, save the pictures, save the clipboard, save the documents, and here is a capture button. It may seem like a little grayed out, but it works just fine. So what the other applications are here? uh, so a question on a question on the desktop is how to do the menu bars. So some have it as a separate bar. Like in KDE it also defaults to that, but you can have it as a global menu bar on the panel with a widget. So on a GNOME, I trying to kind of get rid of the menu bar altogether, like just putting a hamburger menu somewhere, and here the menu bar is like kind of on the top bar. So how are we liking Cosmic so far? So it's been I guess it's been interesting to see. So I have run into some bugs on this alpha. Maybe to be expected. But yeah, whether whether I am hyped to switch over it, but yes, I kind of like it. Yes, it's like interesting. Yes, that's true. I am getting this GNOME vibes here. In this Pop OS, like the so-called Cosmic, yes, it used to be GNOME with some extensions. So that's where the look and feel comes from. The files, new tab. So we have these tabs here. New window, new folder. So creating a new file or a new folder is from the menu. New file. So it just prompts to write a new file name for the pretty plain there, but I guess it does the job. There are no like new LibreOffice document, new bitmap, new text file. So just new file in general. Says the USB drive is busy, of course. Okay, now it appeared. On live environments, you should have access to the to other drives, other like OS installations. So I have so yes, I can visit So if I needed to, I could like like I could like grab a file from my main installations should I need that. Yeah, it's no problem. So the fire, so the cosmic caps, of course, have their own look. It's pretty unified. And Firefox seems to follow that theme too. Although I'm noticing like if I oops, I already gotta get out of the view. So just one thing I noticed that like the like the minimize maximize the close buttons, they're different from the whether it's a GNOME app or something else. So here you can see the plus sign, and I have the circles around. Here it's just like that. But it's fine, I guess. Oh, what else? So it's down here is also the workspace switcher. Wait, wait. So that's probably why. So previously I was wondering that the workspaces and applications widgets. So if they're on a small panel, it writes out the text, but on a larger panel, it uses the icons. So that's what probably what's going on here. So here, I mean, like here, it's a workspaces widget, the applications widget, and it's written out here. That down here is the same thing, but just with the just as an icon. I think I get it now. Cosmic Terminal. Is it taking? It took a moment to start up as well. To run a command as an administrator, use a root. Oh, so that's just use sudo command. So I'm gonna do something really typical. Does it have NeoFetch or it's phased out already? Oh, but it can be installed. But first, sudo apt update. What does it say now? Let's just update the repositories first. I got some warnings here. 306 packages can be upgraded. So that's so it's using the Ubuntu 2404 LTS base. So I'm not sure from which time period the 300 updates have like accumulated. If it's from April 24, it's maybe reasonable. Yes. But I mean, like I mean, like NeoFetch is like out of support by now. Does it still? Oops, I meant to say apt search NeoFetch. NeoFetch. Does it still have that? Yes, it is still here. So like on newer Linux distros, NeoFetch is out of date. It's no longer included, and you're supposed to use fast fetch, but it's still here. Sudo apt install NeoFetch. I was thinking it got stuck there or something. It's reading database. Well, it's kind of slow for some reason. In the meanwhile, what else is here? Cosmic Media Player. So these ended up on different workspaces. So it's a terminal, and for some reason a document is in the text editor here. So yes, workspaces are mainly used to or organize a desktop like that. So you get you get have like one application in the view here, and just switch between the workspaces like that. So it's meta plus the down and up arrow key to switch between workspaces. As I see. I cannot just scroll on top of the workspaces. Like I could on maybe some other. I mean, you could do that on Chrome with just scroll on the workspace indicator and switch workspaces using that. So NeoFetch. A kernel 6.12 kernel. Then we had 6.12 all the way back then. An hour and 45 minutes of uptime. Bash Cosmic Shell. So I close the terminal and workspace 2 should now be empty. I'm like more used to just minimizing applications and then getting them from the from here. Anyways, from the app menu or something. Kind of blanked for something to call it there. So there's Cosmic Media Player. Let me quickly try something. File user. It was in. No, not that user. Or did I have the didn't I finally found a use for the music folder back then? So it opened the music file, the sound file in Firefox of all places. Let me just revisit the what does it start, or I mean the default applications. I mean, music is supposed to be opened in the Cosmic Media Player, so I don't know what happened there. So this is part of a soundtrack from Super Tux. Yes. I'll probably play it later. Terminal. So I'm not sure what happened there. Music is set to open through Cosmic Media Player, so not sure what happens there. Cosmic Media Player again taking a moment to start. Open file. What if I like do a quick screen recording here? I don't know. Just having a quick look through here again. I did stop the recording there, right? No, not the stream. So yes, OBS on Linux, but by default saves videos straight to the home folder. Does this open in the media player now? It opens up the media player, but it doesn't start. But it doesn't like start playing the file. So now I get to listen properly. Wait. Does the media player even work? Like I opened the file here, and it doesn't start playing. Oh, okay, I think the media player straight up like that doesn't work. I cannot play the video file. Welp. That's a bit disappointing. So what? Cosmic Text Editor. I can have multiple files open here. I don't know what to write in. Line numbers are displayed here. File, edit, view, indentation tab with one. So void main. So it's like indentation 4. So I am assuming. So with is this just 4 spaces here? Void main. Okay, so do I remember this now? So dash include, was it? Yes. What was the module name now? std in. So std cout hello world. So yeah, it is just 4 spaces here, isn't it? Wait, no, not void main. If I return 0, it's supposed to be an integer. So that's Cosmic Text Editor right there, I guess. I guess it can be used just as a text editor for like I don't know, for writing the document, a letter, or a video script, or something. So also like ahead of the stream, I try to do I try to configure it as little as possible to just get the stream working. I installed OBS. I logged in YouTube just for the stream, it will all be forgotten later. And I also installed GIMP. I had to slightly resize the thumbnail for the like that. I had to resize the screenshot for the thumbnail pretty much. Windows. What is it? What was that module name in C++? In the text editor, I was like trying to write what like really simple like the hello world program that just writes out hello world would look like in C++, but I kind of forgot the module name. Understanding first C++ program. Include IOStream, of course. Include IOStream int main. I fixed that later. So let's get back to the desktop dock. Like the here it is, minimized windows. It's an interesting idea to have previews of like minimized applications down here, but I don't really think I need it. So let's get rid of that. So some panel customization done right there. Let's bring app library to the front. So it's the application menu is just opening in this window. It's just probably the not the most elegant here. Like in KDE, you have the application menu, and in GNOME, you have the full screen application menu in the activities view. But I mean it does its job quite well. It's really all right. It works, right? I mean, yep. Image viewer. Okay, so image viewer, the properties. This is kind of looking like something from GNOME now. I'm pretty sure that's just like the GNOME image viewer, but it actually doesn't look. I mean, but that actually just looks fine in the with a cosmic theme. Like it doesn't really feel like out of place or something. I've been streaming now for what an hour and a half. So I should I should at last get to the Cosmic Store here. Like I guess the main thing that's kind of throwing me off about this about the Cosmic applications is that they sometimes just take a moment to start up. So explore some recommendations here. Updates. Installed apps. Different application categories. Spotify is under create. That's interesting. Like Spotify VLC, they are more like they are more like for watching and listening to media, not as much for creation. So that's a little bit of an odd placement in my opinion. Work. Oh, games. Let's. Cool. We have Mac OS in the stream. The gamer from Estonia. Hello, or should I say, tere? Yeah. No, kuidas läheb no? No mul läheb. Oot. Kuidas läheb? Hästi. jah. Okay, so someone is asking for my name there. I guess. Well. Oops. I am Erik. I don't. So like Eric. I don't. I don't really hide it as much. Thunderbird. Why are there two Thunderbird applications here listed? And they're ready to update. So here it's just one of them. Well, Thanks for the sub. So yeah, also yes. Anyways, I was checking out the Cosmic Store here. Ah yes, Space Cadet Pinball. That's on Linux. On KDE Discover, it's like the best rated game. So that's interesting. Super Ducks Kart, Super Ducks. Okay. Spotify and VLC in under Relax. Yes, that's completely fair. I can see that. Just why are the same things under the Create? Yes, so when I go to installed apps, it says here that there's like two instances of Thunderbird Mail, but it's like, but there should be like one of them just installed. So I can check. I can search for the applications here. What was I about to write there? But Thunderbird system installed. So it's says in the okay, so I just had so I just had Mac OS here in the stream chat, and now I get a notification that Windows 10 is in this server. Nice, I guess. It was so like in the Pop OS when I tried that previously. So like that was a stable Pop OS with a GNOME with Cosmic extensions. Before like with based on Ubuntu 22. I mean, there I went to the store, went like I went there. I got some things from there, with and I think I like I think the packages were flat packs without me really knowing, and it didn't really work out with that. So I was just wondering, like in the Pop OS or Cosmic Store, is it like how well is it shown whether you're downloading a system package or a flat pack, and can you switch between them easily? And here now I can see like like when I go like here, it says it clearly says system installed, and here I can switch between system and flat hub. So yes, maybe it in the previous Pop OS store it wasn't as well like displayed. Maybe I just didn't notice, but it's all fine here. But now, yes, there are two Thunderbird applications for some reason here. So I assume let's remove that. %. It's thinking over there for a bit. So is the stream fine? So it's not just some network issue I'm having here. There it goes. It was just thinking over there, and then just for a bit of a long time, no progress, and then just application uninstalled just like that. Does it have Snap? I'm not really. So Pop OS does not come with Snap pre-installed. So yes, that's a thing with Ubuntu over there. I prefer the other stuff instead of snaps like the flatpaks or the distro packages. So we don't have to worry about snaps on Pop OS, probably. So it's just the Cosmic Store here. It's actually pretty good. Like you have, so like you have the all is here. Recommendations, in installed apps. You can update from here. There are all these categories. You can you can easily switch between the system package and FlatHub. So I don't have anything to complain now. I don't think I have anything to complain about here anymore. Well, there was maybe the I'm not sure. I'm not sure, but how much of an issue that the uninstall is just freezing at first is. So in games, what do we have here? Okay, patience. Yeah, OS is here. Well, I don't know. Well, I'm just gonna download. Okay, so SuperDux card is FlatHub only then. So anyway, I guess I start from this SuperDux card, SuperDux, these two games here. What that is, I'll take the system package, thank you. Another thing there is a touchpad scroll here. I can see that plenty of Linux desktops the default to one where it moves in the direction you swipe it in, but I'm more used to the other way where you where you kind of swipe to push the view away. So probably if I go to the input settings, I could do that. So touchpad speed. Oh, so first off, I noticed that the mouse cursor speed when using the mouse, this is like pretty fast, but it's fine. Scrolling. Natural scrolling, scroll the content instead of the view. So that's probably what I'm looking for. So yes, you probably won't notice a difference on the screen, but it's now but it's now scrolling the other way, which is like more natural for me. Scrolling speed. If I increase this a little bit, yes, I can notice a bit of a difference. Let's just grab this too. Anything I have missed? Maybe document viewer. That's probably the GNOME app too as well. This the this really looks like the GNOME application too, as does the file picker that we have here. But again, it's using the Cosmic color scheme and like the Windows style. So the GNOME applications actually manage to look pretty native here on Cosmic. Sorry. I think I'm not like I mean I actually noticed this before, but I haven't brought it up. So uh, sorry. Failed to install. Hmm. I'm suddenly getting. I'm so sorry, mate. The network is suddenly a bit off. So one moment. Okay, so let's see. So this is how the screen capture. The screen share prompt looks like. Okay, can we? Okay, can we move on now? I'm sorry. So I okay. So sorry. So I just briefly. Maybe I had some connection issues, I guess, but I guess I can move on. So I plugged in my controller, and the idea is now that I'm gonna play a game made for Linux with the controller. So Super Tux. Okay, so here you can see the like the volume notification there on the bottom. Contrib levels. Compilation of early fancy bit levels. Let's. I haven't really done this. Additional levels. I have played story mode. Oh, also this is. I'm assuming now this is probably how a non-cosmic application looks on Cosmic. You had a dark top bar here, like the application name and the window controls. Like, so, anyways, I have made a story mode. I played through that. Contrib levels not as much. Added in 0.6.1. So kind of recently then. You can't see. Let me turn on the light. This music. So let me tune it like that. The volume. This music I haven't heard. Glacier Danger. Whoa, what is? What distro? It's the alpha for the Pop OS with Cosmic. Like I'm already getting some new stuff here that I didn't see on the story mode. New music. The background is different. And what is this? Whoa. So this turns it upside down. Okay, something I'm wondering if I just fall off here. Yep. the level just ends like that. So the upside down was, it's just to get the few, maybe the few enemies here and just like just these coin blocks here. Checkpoints go down there. Oops. I think I got squished by that. So I'm supposed to ride this moving platform, and last time I got squished by it. What if I just make it there on my own? I got squished again. What if I just don't need that moving platform? Bit you like one jump with it and welp. Okay, let's try the speed. Wait, well, it kind of reminds me that sorry, what I was about to say that kind of reminds me that ISO speed was here in Estonia recently. It's cool that happened. Well, so though I didn't really make much of it. And that's it, only 3.5 minutes. So, enter Arctic sector, enter forest, and what's the third one? Halloween sector. So the Halloween sector is like the corrupted forest sector, as I remember. Oops, that may have been a bit of a spoiler. Forest, mountains. Like there's this candle here, but I don't think really. I don't think I can really do anything too much with it. So this team I heard in the final forest level. The pianos are maybe a little too loud though. Okay. What? Oh, did I get hit with stuff from that hole there? One task contains enemies, the other treasure. What was a... Okay, now what is a select button? Okay, what did I do back right there? Oh! that enemy just fell on me. With up key then. Yes. Sorry, I move up and then that's registered as the button press. There are obstacles down there. Welp. Abort level. Or actually, what? So what is Arctic like? Snowman's Land. Why is the bottom of it? Why is the top of it just black? The background is probably not positioned correctly. Again, not supposed to go that way. Okay, there are two types of springs here. Oh, so these work only a couple of times. Interesting. Wait, no. I meant to jump on her. Since it was a pink snowman and only some of since it was a pink snowball and only some snowballs are pink, I'm gonna assume it was a her. Ooh, gimme that. Almost fell off there. Okay, now what? Okay, now. If it is like I'm assuming it's gonna be a bit precise now. Though I pulled it off. Okay, plenty of different enemies here. One of them could be a fire flower. Now let's see if I can get Super Tux card downloaded. And should there be more like more oops, and should I have disconnections? It's been a fun stream. The way of the snow. Coins. Bad guys killed. So now I should be able to. How do I do that? So X is the action on the controller. Up. I missed that. Wait, these skulls are here. I don't think they really belong here in the Antarctic world. Wait. Can I get the bad guys out of the way? And then moving on. That should be the end right there. Tux card is installed. Running Super Tux card and streaming at the same time, like has caused like freezes over time. So let's see how it. Let's play a bit and see how it works out. So applications, maybe I open it from here. Does it open? So there is a system package for Super Tux Guard, but it doesn't seem to be included in the game category, and it's also marked separately from the FlatHub release. Retux action platformer starring Theta Linux. So that's like Super Tux, I'm gonna assume, but maybe the visuals, maybe like the interface and the plot are a little different. Yes, Retux is action platformer loosely inspired by the Mario games, utilizing the art assets from the Super Tux project. So it is like Super Tux, but maybe other levels and a bit of a different plot. Tux Flat speedrun any %. If I try to install the distro package, just wondering, can I play this game using a controller? Why? So just if I search for wine system, wine developer, wine developers, simple as that. Oh, I mentioned some like corners being a little messed up, and here too I can see a little bit of a gap right here in the corner between the window and the highlight. Cannot copy extracted data. Code 58. So that failed too. Today. Wait. Like in. So here it says that the application entry for the SuperDAX card is there, but it apparently it wasn't installed successfully. So I'm gonna assume it doesn't work. SuperDAX card. Could not find file SuperDAX card in any standard location. What if I remove the FlatHub one? No, I meant. Okay, so it took a moment to update from like uninstall to install, and now I try to install the system package. Nope, it doesn't work. So with Vinyl, I could use the Wine distro package. I could try that, but so I also could try the one from Wine HQ's own repository. Oh, okay. Now I can feel that the touchpad scrolling is a bit fast. Like, so like here when I'm at the store, the touchpad scrolling, I like increase the scroll speed in the settings, and like here it seems fine, but now when I go to Firefox and just boom, it's really fast. Oh, I don't have enough free space. So yeah, this is the live environment. It's just running off the USB. I guess it can happen there. They don't have all that much like disk space. Show details. So I could try super tux right there, but super tux cart just doesn't work. LibreOffice Writer. How does this look on Cosmic? Yeah, it's it's looking pretty. It's looking pretty good and fitting. And I have 2 instances of it open. Oh, something I haven't checked yet. So Pop! OS has the option to have the tiling windows. It probably doesn't work with minimized applications. So right now it's floating. You can have all the applications that move around free size like that. And there's a tiling window manager. They are taking a moment to load again. So there are the tiling window managers which can be replicated in Cosmic. Here. where like the where the screen is divided by well, what did I do? The screen is equally divided by applications like that. Just stay put. Firefox. And if I were to do... Okay, that's probably not going to look very good. But what will happen? I just opened a bunch of GNOME terminals. And you can... Okay, so here and in this corner, they opened here and just like spiral out into like... it's like so small they don't even appear, or like barely appear. Yep, I'm gonna assume the later. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and off it goes. Looping. So been chilling on Windows 10. Which Linux distro should I use? Well, well, typically. Well, so anyways, typically I know Linux, Mint, and Kubuntu. That's Ubuntu with a K in front of it. I like some beginner friendly the distros. Linux Mint have like a lot of graphical applications, and the Cinnamon the desktop that might be easy to get on by Windows users, but Cinnamon. I'm not really the biggest fan of how Cinnamon looks, so and that's maybe not really for me. Kubuntu is Ubuntu, a very popular distro with a KDE Plasma desktop environment. It's that one I like, and it's and it also what's up there. So well, if you wanna know what I have been using lately, it's the Debian testing. So it kind of works like Ubuntu, since Ubuntu is based on Debian, but it's without the changes that Ubuntu does. And Debian testing is also like more updated, since Debian itself can get like outdated. It but whether I suggest Debian testing to to someone who's just starting out, maybe not exactly. Well, well, then there's Fedora, which is a step up from Ubuntu, Mint, Kubuntu, stuff like that. But that's there too. So yeah. So I don't really know your preferences. I think Linux Mint and Kubuntu are like the two beginner friendly distros. Kubuntu. So quit all. I was just messing around there. GNOME text editor. So you can organize your desktop like this. So for the so usually I'd prefer just floating windows. Like Windows, Mac OS, and pretty and a lot of Linux desktops, they do that. So tiling window management is a pretty it's like a kind of a specific case. So Fedora is also so what I am showing on this stream is Pop OS. It's the alpha with a cosmic environment, and it's a it's a live environment running off USB, but considering what I mainly use, I also have like distro hopped around. I am currently on the Debian testing. Okay, so I kind of wonder how would anyways, I saw that GNOME apps fit pretty well with Cosmic here, but what about KDE ones? So this is Discover, KDE's software manager. Like I'm using Cosmic Store for Cosmic here. Discover is like the store for KDE. So oh. Okay, what is this now? It failed to install Discover because of an error I ran into with SuperDux cart. Okay, what is this now? Well, I guess. So Steam, this is FlatHub, and system redirects to Steam installer. Did I break the package manager? Can I download anything anymore? What's something rather small I could try installing? Eliza, that's some music player. Let's try installing and see if it even works. Okay, at least the error code is different. Leap Qt5 engine, so that relates to some. So that's I can see Leap Qt5 here. That relates to the Qt graphics and the KDE desktop. But yeah, I don't think I can really install stuff here anymore. Well then, guess I guess Super Tux here could be maybe what was the only gaming I do on the stream. Celluloid plays videos. So Steam has a FlatHub release and system release, and the system release has a bit of that doesn't have like as official look with just a boxes being here, but this kind of recognizable. Steam installer. Oh, okay, so I clicked on this. Yeah, yes, on a live environment. Again, the free space is a bit of an issue. I tried to maybe do like sudo apt. Well, I'm probably ending the stream too in a in just a bit, but bye. The following. Okay, I tried to do anything and unmet dependencies. So, what is this? Sudo apt fix broken install. So these are what was missing there. Do I have enough disk space for that? Probably not. View sort create view. Show hidden files. Yeah, we have that. Settings. And sorting is here. What is this here now? This is probably another instance of the of cosmic files. But okay, so when compared to something like KDE Plasma, Cosmic maybe has less of this like transparency, blur effects, and less animations, and less customization. Though the customization is pretty good too. The profile. Add profile. What is? But overall, I think well during the stream, I did run into some issues, but well, yes, this the desktop is still in alpha, but overall, it seems pretty fine. I like it pretty much. The design is pretty nice. I guess. And I like the the theming is pretty nice also in that sense that non-cosmic applications to don't really feel um, as out of place. So like I opened something like Firefox and it looks pretty alright here. Also LibreOffice. So if I well currently it's I guess I can see some improvements. I have followed the cosmic development and reviews a little bit. So maybe not quite as reliable yet, but whether I'd switch to it from something like GNOME or KDE Plasma. Maybe it is better than GNOME a bit, but from yes, I also think it can challenge this big desktops like GNOME and KDE Plasma. But we'll see whether I'll switch over to it later, and like how the development goes when the beta releases, and when like the full like stable public release. Yes, unfortunately, I didn't really manage to do much with the gaming part of the stream, mainly because of software management issues and just the live environment files, like free space running out. But well, yes, thank you for coming. I wrote something in the description of the stream, and if you if you didn't get the reference, okay, I'll just say it. I got a new laptop, and I joked about like getting it a day after the stream. So actually I have it since yesterday. It's honestly just waiting there for me. So I'll go tend to it shortly. But well, thank you for joining it. It was a fun stream, and well, I guess I'll end it now. Yes. Thank you, thank you for coming. Bye. See you next time, and stop streaming.